Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 3, and we are learning unit 9. Its title is Good Behavior. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of grammar, we are going to learn use of apostrophe to show position. Before this, in your English for grade 2, we have already learnt about punctuation marks and we have learnt about use of has and have to show position. So I hope you remember these things. If not, you may watch these video lectures, both of the video lectures again, because in today's lecture, we are going to merge this concept, the punctuation and position, and we'll cover the SLO to recognize and use apostrophes to show positions. This is our today's SLO. So let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 115, the east and the west belongs to Allah. To whichever direction you turn, there is Allah's countenance. Allah is all embracing, all knowing. Yes, my dear children, this beautiful verse tells us everything belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whatever is in east, west, everything, all the directions means everything belongs to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And Allah is saying wherever you turn, you will find Allah. Allah's face is there, Allah is there, watch of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So beta, this is in fact a point for us to think wherever we are, Allah is watching us. Whatever we say, Allah is hearing us. So whatever we do, we should do it for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we should fear Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala all the time, right? So my dear students, now look at this word, Allah's. This is a punctuation mark we have used, and after this we put a S. So what does it call? Tell me, what is apostrophe and where do we use apostrophe? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, what is apostrophe? It is a punctuation mark, apostrophe, and here this is how it looks like. It is just like a comma, but it is placed, where do we place it? We place it above the letter, okay? And to show position. We use it to show position and it is placed above the letter. How do we use it? Look at this. Ali's jacket. Now, this Ali is a naming word. We know it's a name. And after completing this word, we put apostrophe and then we write a S. It shows the possession Ali's. It means whatever comes after this apostrophe S, it belongs to Ali. Who is this jacket? It is Ali's jacket. To whom this jacket belongs? This is Ali's jacket. So to show the possession of something, we use apostrophe, right? Ali's jacket. And after this apostrophe, we place S, a small s after this apostrophe. So how do we write it? You will write the naming word. You will put, after completing a small, this sign which is called apostrophe, then small s, okay? And whatever, Ali's ball, Ali's bat, Ali's jacket, Ali's room, whatever you want to say. It means whatever you will write after this, to whom it belongs to? Ali, right? This is how we use apostrophe to show possession. Possession means ownership. Who is the owner of this thing? To whom this thing belongs, right? Okay. Umar's dress. Now, this apostrophe and apostrophe S is showing whose dress is this? This is Umar's dress. Whose dress is this? This is Umar's dress. Are you clear? Like this is by adding apostrophe as we show possession to whom this thing belonged to, right? Okay, so all of you open your book on page number 75. Let's see what we are going to do. Punctuation, apostrophe. We use an apostrophe to show possession and contraction. So contraction, inshallah, we'll discuss in next grade. Today, in this grade, we'll just learn use of apostrophe to show possession. And what does possession mean? Ownership, right? To show ownership of something, we use apostrophe, all right? So let's practice it through an activity. What we are going to do, your teacher will divide the class into 4 groups, and teacher will give each group few sentences, and teacher will ask students to discuss within the group and put apostrophes to show possession. Okay? So pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children. Are you done with it? Are you clear with the concept of apostrophe now to show possession? All right. So it's time to practice it from your book. Here is a question. Use of apostrophe to show possession. Now, what is this statement? I like my. This is the naming word which you have to use with apostrophe to show the possession of this. I like my cousin's bicycle. Right? This is how you are going to complete this task. So pause the video, complete this task in your book, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. And it's time for your homework. You will write 5 sentences using apostrophe to show possession. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, what you are going to do, this sentence is showing a possession, so you have to show this possession by using apostrophe. So what we have learned today, we learned to recognize and use apostrophe to show possession. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.